Spirit of Praise gospel singer Olisa Quinana trends has been trending for the past couple of days, you guys. This just after his heavily pregnant wife, came on her social media pages, of course, to make very serious and damaging allegations that her husband Olisa has been laying his hands, of course, on her. The wife came onto Facebook and, of course, leaked old pictures of her bruised faces and claimed that Uxolisa was the one who had done all of that on her face, you guys. Now, ever since the story broke, people on social media have been tagging the group that Uxolisa is part of the Spirit of Praise. They have been tagging the group to say that please make sure that you do remove this man, as he is a woman beater, you guys. People on Facebook and, of course, TikTok and Twitter up in arms trying to basically get him cancelled from each and every gig that he has been booked at. Someone on Twitter tagged Spirit of Praise and said this: Dear at Spirit of Praise music founders and members, I trust you are all well. Xoliswa Kwinana, who is one of your lead singers, allegedly abuses his wife physically even during her pregnancy, and then she posted those horrific pictures of the lady's bruised face, you guys. Now, Uxolisa was booked to perform at the Worship Is My Weapon concert with Mpumi Mtweni along with other gospel artists. And Mpumi Mtweni has released a statement announcing that, of course, they have decided to drop him off the conference, you guys, because of the allegations leveled against him. Chaps Holding and the team, on behalf of Mpumi Mtweni, wishes to address the recent gender-based violence allegations involving gospel artist Xolisa Kwinana. We take these matters seriously and do not condone any form of abuse or domestic violence. As a result, Xolisa Kwinana will no longer be performing at the Worship Weapon Tour in Port Elizabeth on the 16th of August 2025. The gender-based violence is a serious issue in our country, and we remain committed to promoting a safe and respectful environment at all our events. Read the statement. Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course do make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for actually clicking and watching most of my videos. I truly appreciate it, and may the good Lord just continue blessing you all.